it comes with food dye, glitter, and some eye contact solution, and another jar of glue, and then a container. And then I got these from Target. I say it's really good. This one's like a putty though. The other two are like slimes, but this one's a putty. And they're crunchy slimes. They're crunchy slimes, and this one's a crunchy putty. Let's move on to the DIY slime. Something like that. Oops. Pretty. Okay. Oh, I love it.
Next, we're going to add the contact solution.
Yep. Okay, guys, I got some on here. Okay, guys, it's clumping up. I wonder if this will turn into slime or not. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna be adding baking soda because it's really slimy. Oh no, there's a choke. I got it. What's that? No. So I'm making another one, and I added red food dye. So let's mix.
Red and blue.
We're gonna mix.
And this is the blue one.
I love it
now we're
so
making
much.
purple.
I feel like it's turning purple already.
It is. It looks pretty.
Looks like it's turning purple. Glitter.
So right now we're adding purple
Purple
glitter
glitter
to the purple slime. So pretty. And by the way, this DIY kit came with the bowl, the spoon, 2 bottles of glitter, and the food coloring right here, and contact solution, 2 of these.
And also it came with this weird container that it says
It's supposed to hold the slime, but
it's so big.
obviously it can't.
Okay, guys, so this is the purple slime, and we didn't need to add borax to this one, right, Mama?
Oh, not borax.
Baking soda.
Yeah.
And this one is perfect. So good.
So we got the purple done.
And my
Blue,
favorite
now we're gonna
blue.
do another color.
Good.
Okay, so now we are making pink.
Sorry about that background noise. It's me stuffing the purple slime.
I
I got the struggle.
You got one job, girl.
Heck no, it's hard because all the slime. Okay, so we have the pink one. I really like this one too. I'll draw it out. Can you make it
So
thin?
this is supposed to be a rainbow slime kit. Rainbow, it says rainbow right
I don't
here.
know if I want to mix it.
But Sai doesn't want to mix it, and that's fine.
Well,
She'll probably mix it later. She just wants to play with the individual colors
But now.
for now. But thanks for watching. This was a quick video. We just bought slime randomly and a slime kit and wanted to share with you guys.
Yep.
Hope you guys like